Hey, cocktail lovers, ever wanted to whip up a refreshing drink that everyone can enjoy, no matter the time of day? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Virgin Mojito right in your own kitchen. Let's dive in. First things first, grab a tall glass. This is where all the magic happens. Now, take a handful of fresh mint leaves. About 10 should do the trick. Drop them into your glass. Here's where you get to release some stress. Take a muddler or the back of a spoon and gently press down on the mint leaves. You want to bruise them to release their aromatic oils, but be gentle, no need to pulverize them. Next, cut a lime into quarters. Squeeze 2 of these quarters right into the glass over the mint. The fresh lime juice is key, it adds that zesty punch. After squeezing, just toss those lime wedges in there with the mint. Now add 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is going to balance out the tartness of the lime. If you're watching your sugar intake, feel free to adjust the amount or use a sugar substitute. Give everything another gentle muddle to mix the lime juice and sugar together with the mint. Alright, time to make it fizzy. Fill the glass almost to the top with ice cubes, then pour in sparkling soda water. For an extra touch of flair, use a long spoon to stir everything from the bottom up. This mixes all the flavors together and gets that mint and lime distributed nicely. Now for the final touch garnish. Take a sprig of mint, slap it between your hands, this helps to release even more aroma, and place it on top of your drink. Pop in a straw, and there you have it. A beautiful, refreshing Virgin Mojito. Now, wasn't that easy and fun? You've just made a classic mocktail that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a sunny afternoon, or just chilling out after a long day, this Virgin Mojito will keep you refreshed and smiling. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome cocktail recipes, both spirited and non-alcoholic. And hey, share this video with your friends who might love to try this out. Thanks for watching and cheers to your next delicious drink.